When emotions get high, most men run to one of two extremes. They either beg or they block. They beg because they are afraid to lose her. They block because they want to prove they are not hurt. But both reactions often come from the same place: emotional disturbance. One says, "Please don't leave me." The other says, "Look how much I don't care." And even though they look different on the outside, both can reveal that she still has power over your inner state. This is why staying calm works better than both. Begging makes you look like your peace depends on her decision. You start explaining, chasing, apologizing too much, asking for another chance, or trying to force her to understand your value. But the more you beg, the more your value shrinks in her eyes, because attraction cannot grow where self-respect is being sacrificed. Blocking can also be weak when it comes from ego. If you block her just to make her feel punished, jealous, or scared, then you are still reacting. You are still letting her behavior control your next move. Blocking may feel powerful for a moment, but if it is driven by anger, it is not control. It is pain trying to look strong. Calmness is different. Calmness does not beg for access, and it does not perform revenge. Calmness observes. It adjusts. It steps back when needed. It lets silence exist without turning it into drama. It says, "I can feel this, but I do not have to lose myself because of it." That is what makes calmness powerful in female attraction. She expects reaction. She expects panic. She expects anger, chasing, emotional paragraphs, or dramatic distance. But when you remain centered, she cannot easily read you, control you, or trigger you. Your peace becomes stronger than her behavior. In this video, you will learn why staying calm works better than blocking or begging, why emotional extremes destroy attraction, and how a high-value man handles distance, silence, rejection, and mixed signals without losing his frame. Because the strongest man is not the one who blocks first or begs hardest. It is the one who stays so grounded that her behavior no longer controls his power. Before we start, a quick reminder: the real transformation doesn't happen on YouTube, it happens inside the community. If these videos have opened your eyes, what's inside will rebuild your mindset completely. It's not just a course, it's a brotherhood, a private space where men master attraction, emotional control, and the psychology of power. You don't join for a month, you join for life. Every future course, book, and lesson is yours forever. No subscriptions, no limits, just one decision that changes your direction. If you're serious about growth, discipline, and purpose, click the link below. Join the community. Enroll once, grow forever. Let's dive in. Section 1. Begging makes her feel your fear, not your value. The first reason staying calm works better than begging is because begging makes her feel your fear more than your value. When a man begs, he may think he is showing love, loyalty, or seriousness. He may think, "If she sees how much I care, she will understand." But most of the time, begging does not create attraction. It creates pressure. It makes her feel that your peace depends on her decision, and that is a heavy energy to carry. Begging usually begins when a man feels control slipping away. She becomes distant, she pulls back. She says she needs space or she seems unsure. Instead of standing still, he starts reaching. He sends more messages. He asks for another chance. He explains why she should not give up. He reminds her of the good moments. He tries to make her feel guilty for walking away. But the more he talks from fear, the less powerful he appears. A woman can sense when a man is trying to save himself through her response. His words may sound emotional, but his energy says, "Please choose me so I can feel okay again." And once she feels that the dynamic shifts, she no longer feels his strength, she feels his dependence. This is why calmness is different. Calmness does not mean you do not care. It means you care without collapsing. You can feel the pain, the disappointment, the uncertainty, but you do not turn those emotions into a performance. You do not beg her to fix what is happening inside you. You hold yourself. That kind of self-control creates respect, because a man who can stay calm when he feels hurt shows something rare. His emotions are real, but they are not ruling him. So when you feel the urge to beg, pause, breathe, say less. Let your dignity speak louder than your fear, because the man who begs for her to stay teaches her she has power over his peace. But the man who stays calm shows her his peace belongs to him. Section 2. Blocking from emotion still shows she moved you. The second reason staying calm works better than blocking is because blocking from emotion still shows she moved you. Many men think blocking automatically makes them look powerful. They think, if I block her, she will know I am done. But if the block comes from anger, jealousy, insecurity, or the desire to make her react, then it is not strength, it is still a reaction. Blocking can be useful when someone is disrespectful, toxic, manipulative, or disturbing your peace repeatedly. In that case, blocking is a boundary. But when you block just because she replied late, acted cold, did not give you the attention you wanted, or made you feel rejected, it can become emotional theatre. It says, "You affected me so much that I needed to make a dramatic move." A high-value man does not rush into dramatic moves. He does not need to prove that he is hurt. He does not need to announce that access is gone. He simply adjusts. He becomes less available. He stops feeding the conversation. He pulls his energy back. He lets distance speak without needing a digital wall to scream for him. Calmness gives you more control because it keeps your choices clean. You are not blocking to punish. You are not begging to keep. You are observing what the situation deserves. If she is unclear, you step back. If she is disrespectful, you create distance. If she crosses a real boundary, you block without drama and move on. That is the difference. Blocking from pain seeks a reaction. Blocking from peace protects a boundary. So before you block her, ask yourself, am I doing this to protect my peace or to make her feel something? If it is protection, do it calmly. If it is reaction, pause. Because sometimes the strongest move is not blocking. It is becoming so calm that her behavior no longer controls your next action. Section 3. Calmness makes her face the situation without your panic. The third reason staying calm works better than blocking or begging is because calmness makes her face the situation without your panic becoming the main event. When you beg, she focuses on your desperation. When you block emotionally, she focuses on your reaction. But when you stay calm, there is no drama for her to hide behind. She has to look at the situation itself. This is powerful because many emotional moments become messy only because one person reacts too loudly. She pulls away, and instead of letting her feel the distance, you chase. She acts cold, and instead of letting her behavior stand, you argue. She creates confusion, and instead of observing it, you try to force clarity. Then suddenly the problem is no longer her distance or her inconsistency. The problem becomes your reaction. Calmness removes that distraction. You are not giving her a paragraph to judge. You are not giving her anger to use against you. You are not giving her begging that makes her feel pressured. You are simply standing still. And when a man stands still, the truth becomes easier to see. If she truly cares, your calmness gives her space to reflect. If she does not care, your calmness helps you see that without humiliating yourself. Either way, you win because you remain in control of yourself. A calm man does not need to rush the outcome. He does not need to force an answer today. He does not need to make her feel guilty, scared, or trapped. He watches behavior. He listens to patterns. He lets her actions reveal what her words may hide. This is why calmness feels so powerful in female attraction. It shows that you are not easy to destabilize. You can feel tension without becoming tension. You can feel uncertainty without turning into panic. You can feel distance without chasing it because the man who begs creates pressure. The man who blocks from ego creates drama. But the man who stays calm creates a mirror, and sometimes that mirror is what makes her finally understand what her behavior is doing. Section 4. Calmness protects your frame while emotions are loud. The fourth reason staying calm works better than blocking or begging is because calmness protects your frame while emotions are loud. Anyone can look confident when things are easy. Anyone can act strong when she is warm, available, and giving attention. But the real test comes when she becomes distant, confusing, cold, or uncertain. That is when your emotional discipline is revealed. Most men lose their frame because they let the moment control them. If she pulls away, they panic. If she ignores them, they feel rejected. If she gives mixed signals, they start trying to solve her like a mystery. Then they either beg for closeness or block to escape the discomfort. But both reactions show that the emotion became bigger than the man. A calm man does not let the emotion drive. He notices the urge to react, but he does not obey it immediately. He gives himself time. He lets the storm pass before choosing his next move. That pause is where power lives. When you stay calm, you stop making permanent decisions from temporary emotions. You do not send a weak paragraph because you felt anxious for 10 minutes. You do not block her because your ego felt bruised. You do not chase clarity from someone who is giving confusion. You simply breathe, observe, and move according to your standards. This makes you stronger because your actions become clean. If you step back, it is because the situation deserves distance. If you block, it is because there is a real boundary, not because you want revenge. If you speak, it is because your words are calm, not because fear forced them out. That is why calmness works better. It keeps you from becoming a prisoner of the moment. It protects your dignity when your emotions are trying to expose you, because the man who can stay calm when everything inside him wants to react is the man who owns himself, and a man who owns himself is never easy to control. Section 5. Calmness makes your next move more powerful. The fifth reason staying calm works better than blocking or begging is because calmness makes your next move more powerful. When you react too quickly, your move usually comes from pain. You block because you feel hurt. You beg because you feel scared. You send a paragraph because you feel misunderstood. You chase because you feel her slipping away. But when you wait until your emotions settle, your next move becomes cleaner, stronger, and harder to regret. This is where most men lose control. They want instant relief. If she goes cold, they want to fix it now. If she pulls away, they want an answer now. If she ignores them, they want to do something now. But the need to act immediately often creates weak decisions. You may think you are solving the problem, but you are really trying to escape the discomfort. A calm man understands that not every situation needs an instant response. Sometimes the strongest move is to wait, observe, and let the truth reveal itself. If she is truly interested, her effort will show. If she is playing games, her pattern will show. If she is losing interest, that will show too. But if you panic too early, you interrupt the lesson before reality has time to speak. Calmness gives you options. You can step back without drama. You can speak without emotion controlling your tone. You can block if there is a real boundary. You can walk away without needing revenge. You can remain silent without secretly begging for a reaction. That is why calmness is power. It keeps you from moving like a wounded man. It lets you choose from standards instead of fear. And when she sees that you are not rushing, not begging, not exploding, and not trying to punish her, she feels something different. She feels that your decisions are not emotional accidents. They are controlled choices. Because the man who acts from panic becomes predictable. But the man who acts from calm becomes dangerous in the quietest way. He cannot be pushed into weakness. Section 6. Calmness lets you walk away without looking weak. The sixth reason staying calm works better than blocking or begging is because calmness allows you to walk away without looking weak. A lot of men think walking away needs to be loud. They think they must announce it, prove it, block her, post about it, or make her feel guilty. But the strongest walk away is often quiet. It does not need attention because it comes from self-respect, not ego. When a man begs, he shows he is afraid of losing her. When a man blocks from anger, he shows he is still emotionally moved by her. But when a man calmly steps back, says less, and removes his energy without drama, he becomes harder to understand and harder to control. He does not look wounded, he looks decided. This is powerful because calm distance carries dignity. It tells her that you are not desperate for the connection, but you are also not childish enough to turn pain into revenge. You simply recognize when the energy is not mutual, when respect is missing, or when the situation is becoming too confusing, and you choose your peace. A calm walk away also protects your future. You do not burn everything with insults. You do not humiliate yourself with begging. You do not create unnecessary drama that makes you regret your behavior later. You leave in a way that keeps your image clean and your self-respect intact. And sometimes that is what makes her think the most. Not the man who begged, not the man who exploded, not the man who blocked dramatically, but the man who quietly stopped participating, the man who did not need to explain his value, the man who did not fight for a place where he was not being respected. So when the situation becomes unclear, do not rush to beg and do not rush to block. Calmly step back. Let your absence speak. Let your peace become the boundary. Because a man who can walk away without hatred is a man who has already won the inner battle. Section 7. Calmness makes you unpredictable in the best way. The seventh reason staying calm works better than blocking or begging is because calmness makes you unpredictable in the best way. Not unpredictable like a man who plays games, changes moods, or acts mysterious on purpose, but unpredictable because she cannot easily trigger the weak version of you anymore. Before, she may have known exactly what would happen. If she became distant, you would chase. If she replied coldly, you would ask what was wrong. If she ignored you, you would send another message. If she made you jealous, you would react. That predictability gave her emotional control because your reaction was almost guaranteed. But when you stay calm, that pattern breaks. She no longer knows if her coldness will pull you closer. She no longer knows if her silence will make you panic. She no longer knows if one small emotional test will make you defend yourself. And when the old reaction does not come, your energy becomes stronger. This is where respect begins. A woman may not always admit it, but she can feel when a man is not easily moved. She can feel when he has control over himself. She can feel when his peace is not available for games. And that kind of calmness creates a different kind of attraction because it shows that your inner world is not controlled by her mood. Begging tells her she can pull you in. Blocking from ego tells her she pushed you out. But calmness tells her something more powerful. She cannot easily move you at all. That is the energy of a high-value man. He does not overreact. He does not perform pain. He does not punish to look strong. He simply stays grounded, watches the pattern, and chooses his next move from self-respect. Because the man who stays calm becomes difficult to predict, difficult to control, and difficult to forget. In short, staying calm works better than blocking or begging because calmness keeps your power inside you. Begging gives your power away by showing fear. Emotional blocking gives your power away by showing reaction. But calmness shows something different. It shows that you can feel pressure without becoming pressure. You can feel pain without performing pain. You can feel uncertainty without letting it control your next move. Most men think they need to do something dramatic when she pulls away, becomes cold, or creates confusion. They think they must chase her back, prove their value, demand answers, or cut her off instantly to look strong. But drama does not create strength. Drama only reveals that your inner state was shaken. A calm man does not beg for access, and he does not block just to punish. He observes, he breathes, he lets emotions settle before he acts. If the situation needs distance, he steps back. If a boundary is crossed, he protects it. If she gives confusion, he does not chase clarity like a desperate man. He simply watches the pattern and moves with self-respect. That is why calmness is so powerful. It gives you options. It protects your dignity. It makes your next move cleaner. It lets you walk away without looking wounded. And it makes you harder to control because she can no longer predict the weak version of you. So, when you feel the urge to beg, pause. When you feel the urge to block from anger, pause. When you feel the urge to send a long message, pause. Let calmness speak first. Because the strongest man is not the one who reacts the loudest. It is the one who remains centered when everything inside him wants to lose.